innovate. We are live, we are live, we are live. Innovate, innovate. We are live, we are live, we are live. Innovate, innovate. We are live, we are live. So guys, we are trying to monitor our position. We have this position and we capitalize on it, which we are expecting. We are expecting, let me see. We're expecting something like 9%, 9%, around 7 or 8% on this position. So we opened this position. Let me first take off these clothes. Guys, as I emphasize on price action, the moment we master price action, how do we define our trade? So basically when we are trading, we always make sure you have a trading plan. That's number one. When you're trading, you must have a trading plan, and in that trading plan, you must have a trading cycle. A trading cycle actually is the one embedded within the trading plan, and when you're in the trading plan, you must have a set of rules you follow to give you a guidance on track in case you are trying to go off track or misfollow your guidelines. They give you standard to follow when you're going to the market. Financial markets are the best, let me say, the best markets on the world, with a lot of capitalization. I cannot look around to switch other type of market apart from financial market, which has got a lot of capitalization in terms of volume. So as we say that, basically we engage in cryptos. Cryptos are the cryptos. Let's say for example, these are currencies, these are coins that are developed by VCs or venture capitalists, maybe some labs like incubators. Someone can incubate a coin and then it farms, or it comes up something very territory, for example, the coin. But basically for us, what we do trade crypto because one, cryptos have got a high volatility rate. They are highly volatile compared to other assets. And then two, they are not centralized. as we look at our financial markets. We do trade like it's a futures market, but with futures market and contracts for difference, we try to resemble the crypto space in futures market. Though contracts for difference, they're a bit high risk compared to the futures, but they are also the high rewarding markets in second to futures or derivatives. So what we're going to look at right now is the position. How did we come up with such nice increase? One, we basically rely on technicals and we factor in fundamentals. Technical, these are analysis done on charts. For example, trading platform like TradingView. Okay, it's a trading analysis platform. It's not for trading, basically for trading and opening trades, though it can be embedded within APIs. But what we do, we analyze technical data in terms of charts using TradingView, and that's basically HIMcrypto language, which is embedded in the platform. So once we use these tools, like for example, all these icons, you must be understanding on how to use them and give you an edge how you're going to analyze the market. So when you analyze the data, it gives us an edge on how we're going to basically have our positions. For example, when I look here, when I look at this chart, this is a Bitcoin chart, when I look at it, we must have a trend. A trend is basically where the direction is going, or where is the momentum of that particular price action. And in price action, usually you must know the types of action which are involved in the trading. We usually have three types of price action. We have a consolidated price action. That's basically when the market is not moving. We have a ranging price action. That's when the market is going in certain levels and comes back to a certain level. And then we have a continuous or a trending price action. That's when the market is going into a certain direction. It might be either bull or bearish. So once we try to analyze the trend of Bitcoin right now, if you look at this chart, let me look into another chart which is not Bitcoin right now. Let me pull out which coin should I pull out here? Casper. Let me pull out Casper coin, of which it will give us a view of what we're trying to understand. So when we look at Casper, we shall do a top to bottom analysis. That's from a high time frame to lower time frame. We shall have to go high. The maximum you can go is the weekly time frame. And once we go to the weekly time frame, we shall have to understand what's playing out on the weekly time frame. If we look here, so when you look at Casper, this is Casper. I don't know what I'm trying to do. So this is Casper. On the weekly time frame, we are seeing a lot of bullishness. We are seeing continuation in the trend, which is bullish trend. So if we are seeing a continuation in the trend, we are expecting the market to form new higher highs above the previous swing highs, and then we shall expect also to form new lower highs. So the moment we understand the trend that is bullish, we have confirmation of the trend. This is new higher highs and higher higher, we call them higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So let's try to look for the market structure of Casper. If we say Casper's this market structure, price action, for us to understand price action very well, we need structures. I'll come and say this is my area of support. Then I have to use a trend line. This was the previous high. Then we have to this one. So these are my key levels. I may not use a lot of horizontal rays, but when I look here, I may not have to display my moving average. Basically, we use the display moving average. When it's the strike high detail of the chart, we come later. And what I'm trying to explain here is that for what we are trying to apply here is the price action. Pure price action without use of a lot of indicators and then trend lines. You might have to use these tools. So I'm not good at geometry, but still we can use trend lines. So when we look at this chart here, we are trying to form double tops. If we look here, we have two double bottoms, this level, sorry, that level, and then this level. So this was kind of a double bottom, and whenever we understand chart pattern, double bottom or double top, it's one of the chart pattern that gives us a very high rate. If we try to utilize it on the chart, then we are trying to understand the type of chart formation which is being found. So if we look at double bottom, we are expecting to form something like okay, in play, what was trying to be informed is something like head and shoulder pattern as well. If we look here, then there, as well something here. Though price came and formed this double tops here and then passed through it. So if we look here, double top, then price came and rejected up to here. So this one will take time frame. So we have to scale down on our time frame and look what's going there. And we look what's going there. So when we go on the daily time frame, we shall also expect something like that. That's the same nature. So that is it, guys. When we look here, we're seeing something exactly on the weekly time frame, but we have to factor in when we are doing our analysis. We use high time frames to maximize on our gains, but when we factor in lower time frame, we use them for execution. So when I do something like a rectangle here at this price level, I'm doing something like a raising wedge, price came and tried to form some corridor charts here. Still I can recognize the chart patterns from here. Remember guys, the rule of thumb is never trade without recognizing any chart pattern. Chart pattern gives us a very firm high probability to understand these psychological levels and where the market can claim it. It's not something like sure, but what we are seeing, price has tried to break above, price has broken above this kind of area of resistance. And what we are seeing is a lot of bullishness, as in momentum here, guys. If you look here, quadro taps, triple taps, and then the bullishness momentum is going to take over. As we don't see even any single candle here, as in terms of, okay, there is something like a doji candle. If I try to zoom it out here, there is something like a doji candle here, but it wasn't all right, which was trying to show some kind of infusion between buyers and sellers, but buyers come and took over this kind of direction. So what we can anticipate about this, we have to look at the left, far away from the left, previous level. Of course, we don't know, we don't have, right now we don't have the previous level, and the left we don't have previous level, and the left has a high. But what we are going to do is, we are going to have a realistic open position on that we shall execute on the 15-minute time frame. We have to dig down lower time frame for execution. Remember guys, we don't execute on higher time frames. What we do, we execute on lower time frame. Yes. That's what we do. We cannot execute on higher time frames. It's very unethical and it's not applicable in trading business here. So we have confirmed the trend from the top to bottom analysis. Then we are using the price action. The price action is a trend one, which is not a consolidative or something. It's a trending one, it's a bullish one. As you can see, formation of high highs and high highs on the lower time frame gives us a good confirmation about the trend, like the price action. So we have marked areas of values, and then we have to factor in a realistic risk to reward ratio. Remember, the rule of thumb is just risk 1%. Let me check what's on the 30-minute time frame here. 30-minute time frame. So guys, I want to give you a hint. Smart, and it's smart. I want to give you a hint about Casper token, Casper coin. One of the most likely to outperform in terms of occurrence or 100x is Casper, guys. And it's one of the few tokens I'm willing to buy and hold it for a long time. Maybe prepare very well. Right now, it's not too fast, it's not too late. It is at 0.2 cents, 0. But still I can only capitalize on it, or I can try to invest on it. And then I open a long position. On it up something like 0.5%. Let me go to a 4 time frame. Because when you're executing, you execute on your time frame, but when you maximize on our volumes, our gains, you have to not okay, you have to be realistic, but not all that so much greedy, something like that. Then we shall leave it to play. So this position, as we are trying to mark our levels, that's our TP level. My entry can be around here. My entry, and then my stop loss. My stop loss is not a G1 but a Corolla. It can be a Corolla. My stop loss. I don't want risk too much. Remember, the rule of thumb is just this 1%. Just 1%. So now, whoever is active can capitalize on this position, and I'll give it into the group, into our Discord and then WhatsApp group. Yeah, and just have to paste it, give out signals, put it like this, and then so guys, that's how we filter our entries. It's not so much difficult, but we have to be too decisive. We should not sit on our hands for such opportunity when it tries to write itself on in the market. Remember guys, for it to be profitable continuously, you must have consistency, you must have routine, trade your psychology, then manage your trades, and your capital preservation. Those are the few things we should consciously pay attention to when we engage businesses. Let me go back to our Bitcoin and this how we are performing. We're performing guys. I think we are in profit guys. Our PNL is just looking green. We have did some and took these entries some kind of seriousness. I think we just happy about this, as you can see here on this position guys. I gave a call out onto the group about this position, and whoever who was safe, just capitalize on it. As we use this fixed range, it's called a fixed V1, volume weighted average price. Volume weighted average price, it tries to figure out something like where there's a lot of volumes, because the trend is bearish, but the volume as where most of the sellers are putting their orders is where I should also look at, and then we take advantage of that. That's where we can use, for example, we fixed it from this previous high of the day up to where the market is, and showed us this red line as a point of entry. If you can look at it, this was the POC point of entry. And when you look, shoot. BTC Bank, BTC Church. BTC, don't want anything else. So when we look here, this position I give to those ones who are trading the event of the FOMC. FOMC event, which was the Federal rate reading, and then this one I opened it yesterday because yesterday I saw these three dark crow candles, then I knew that the market would dump continuously. So we were expecting the market to come and respect this level as it was previously here. Then we shall have to maybe have a dive or a new something like this. Okay, we might bounce off and rotate around here, and then we try to come back to this level first. So that's what we can expect. But before that, this price level might be respected so many times. Might be respected so many times. You know, everything is possible in all ways. So that is it, guys. We have to also sometimes when we look at trading, we may not factor in too much fundamental because we are pure technical traders. You may have to factor in some events. If you go into settings on your platform and you look here, there is something like ISA Manufacturing Index, which is on 1st August, already in August. They're already in August, but this one is going to happen at around 1400. That's US Standard Time, and just something like a few hours. A few hours to take place. But this index may not have too much effect the way we can expect as February. You know, never know, anything can happen. But we have to factor in some kind of few fundamentals when we're trying to have our operations run. So another indicator I try to use most of the time is the bookmap. It's a bookmap. Usually there is free versions, those who don't have cash subscribe to the paid ones. But when you look at the bookmap, the way it is playing, when I got the bookmap here, and I took to the 1 hour time frame, if you look at the 1 hour time frame, sellers are too many. When you look at this cumulative volume data here, if you try to look here, and when we try to zoom in, something like this, we have to look for liquidity levels. When we look at the bookmap here, it will give us some kind of liquidity level, but let me see if I can try to fetch it up very well. Those who know how to use the bookmap, we always look at the liquidity level. It gives us some kind of liquidity levels, as in, so where there's an orange line here, let me try to highlight it. Those who know how to trade with liquidity, this is where people are going to take profits. They are going to take profits from here at around 64,500. At 64,500, the market is playing something like a magnet. So when you look here, most of the volumes here will happen previously. When you look at the previous levels, the biggest volume has been rotating around 64,500. If you don't have a clear understanding of how this bookmap helps you to understand volume and liquidity in the markets, you can use a fixed volume weighted average price index. It's free, sometimes it is for subscription. If you go to trading view, let me see if I can get it here on a 1 hour time frame. Okay, it is here. Let me just try to hide it out and get to come on, get to no, don't want that. I want this one. What's up? What's not happening? It is jamming. Where is the objective tree? Objective tree, it is here. So with everything as indicators on my chart, where is the objective tree here? Don't see it. It's not everywhere. Okay, I'm not seeing it, but let me just try to use a VWAP. Is a very nice tool to use. This is a fixed range volume profile. It will give me point of control. Let me say, because we have to understand the trend of the market. If we factor in here, let me see here. Up to this previous level and put it there. So the point of control is around this area, which we entered yesterday. We entered it yesterday. Because we know the trend is bearish and we know point of control. Point of control acts as a line of magnet. You have to understand the trend where it is, and then you apply that fixed volume range, fixed volume profile, and then you utilize it if you know to utilize it. So this was where we entered yesterday. But in terms of liquidity, if you look here at 64,500, the same 500. Yes, this level is a very key level. Why? Because not only orders, lot of volume here is being shown by the bookmap here in this orange line. If you look here, so price has been respecting these levels in terms of volumes here. So when we factor in to take profits as the market is trying to come back, or it is trying to play, we are anticipating that Bitcoin is going to hit 63,000. Right now we are at 64,700, but we anticipate price to hit 63. As as because of this. So guys, if you understand how to use these tools and use them to analyze and try to make your processes soft, understand where is market volume and all that, you'll pure understand price action is very, very, very tight. So guys, let me go back to trading view and see what's the play. So we are coming closer, guys, as you can see, guys. If I go to 5 minute time frame, maybe to play out very well. 5 minute time frame. 5 minute time frame. So sometimes when I want to be so much clear on a 5 minute time frame, what I do, I'll come and have confirmations or some filters like in check patterns and then candlestick patterns formations. So I'll give me a hint or an hedge where the direction of the market is going to. So when I look at it here right now, I have no fear. I'm just like Scott being trading in the zone. I'm trading in the zone right now because I have no fear of the market come against me right now. I know the momentum where it is playing to. So as I'm looking or I'm just anticipating new formation of lower lows and higher lows, lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs continuously until when market price or price action price respect to this trade zone. So if you understand price action, the language which is basically the language of the price action, and you check patterns, you just have to capitalize on them. Quickly, be decisive person to take opportunity, not to miss out of them. Like for example, the way price is respecting this, if I try to apply some trend line, I anticipate that if price comes to bounce a bit and back, to come and stop here as some kind of resistance, but do not break up. Then if it breaks above, I'll be very confident because I know the general trend what it is. So guys, if you want to learn how to trade, a link in the bio, subscribe to the channel, HIMcrypto, give the thumbs up. It is totally for free, I don't charge you anything. Not like education, you know, knowledge is very free, knowledge is everywhere. But why would I make someone to pay for the knowledge rather than giving the tips of that knowledge is? So if you're serious and you know what you're doing, it is very easy and free. Put in time, you have to put in work, understand this, how it plays, and then make sure you have a mentorship. There's free mentorship. For me, what I would like to say, like, knowledge is everywhere, YouTube everywhere. But if you want maybe a somewhat kind of information, you need to pay and pay for it. That is it, guys. So guys, and then it's not always that you're going to be in the winning strikes, guys. Never. Sometimes the market is going to come against your position totally, even if you have 100% sure of that confirmation and filter. But you have to have a trade psychology. You know, when you come into this business, you come in with full hopes to win all the time, win. It can be that you can be winning, but you need to make sure so that you're going to lose sometimes. Remember that if you risk 1% means you're prepared to risk that 1%, and at the same time you're going to preserve your capital. 1% out of the capital is not something very big. Maybe you have just to maximize on your one as you have, so to term or to term out your losses. So guys, if we go back to 30-minute time frame and we look what's the frame there, 30-minute time frame, I like this thing. It's just something like a cloud of rainfall, right? Hmm? Just something like a cloud of. Mark you that whenever BTC is falling, it's an opportunity to buy back. You have to just have to buy back. You don't need to worry about the price. Crypto market space is a very volatile. It's a wave machine. It's always producing waves and volatilities. And the pain you can gain from this volatility is taking a chance and capitalize on this volatility. Remember, guys, some people who do trade other markets, but if the market has no volatility and gets fixed up, you're not going to make that money because there is no volatility in that currency. It's just fixed up. Remember, guys, that if you know what you're doing, you either make money out of that volatility or you wait for that trend. But sometimes we have ranges. I'm saying BTC is dumping seriously, guys. BTC is dumping. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Subscribe to the channel HIMcrypto. So a new candle has been formed. That's on the 30-minute time frame. And if you're trying to make this, first be very clear about. If you look at price action, there is some kind of resistance, something like a quadrilateral on the 30 minutes. Each candle here, it represents 30 minutes. This candle is 30 minutes, this one is 30 minutes, and this one is 30 minutes, and this one. Something like a quadrilateral. And what we are seeing, gap formation, candlestick pattern formation, it's really something like a bearish engulfing candle. A bearish engulfing candle. And then price, because you must know the structure of the candle. When price came and opened here and closed here, it opened again here and closed here. So to factor in the most recent price action, we have to look at the most two recent O3 candles, and that's on the lower time frame. Like if you look here, you look here, and this here, highs here, and then closes here, then it has opened here. So as it has opened, it has formed another candle below the close. So when I go back, if a new candle has been formed, I am very confident. Like I'm just in my trading zone. I have no fear about the buyers. Even if we are these aggressive buyers, I'm not scared about the change of the trend because I'm not seeing possibilities of a change of the trend right now. So when I go back to the bookmap, when I go back to the bookmap, 64, 600, 64, 600, and then trading view is what? 64, 600, exactly. So the bookmap says there is too much liquidity here, as in terms of volumes. As liquidity is too much close here, people are willing to take off here as an open. These are like, this level is some kind of open interest level. And open interest, like the money which is locked in, but for sale of the profit, it is mostly here. And then very closely near here, 64, 600, 64, 500. pay for 500. So that's the power of a bookmark. If you know how to utilize a bookmark, you got bookmark.com, then you download it, and then it's only that it might not be running on some weak computers, and you need a lot of CPU to operate. As I can see here, the cumulative volume delta, the cumulative volume is just reducing to 175. Uh, so let's go guys, let's go guys. Let's go, let's power, let's dump, let's dump, let's dump. Let me go back and check on Casper, because that position we tried to post in the channel was long position on Casper. Casper is bullish strength, we will have a bullish momentum, which is decoupling on the Bitcoin as you see it. Casper is bullish. Remember, most of the alts, most of them, they try to follow the flow of BTC. But Casper, the plate is praying. I'm thinking some wells are either accumulating or something I cannot tell. Maybe something like news happening around Casper. Guys, buy too much Casper, accumulate Casper as much as you can. Accumulate as much Casper as you can. Even if you accumulate something like 10 power, it's just make you enough to retire as early as possible. Let me look here. Solana, when I go and look at Solana, what's the flow of Solana? What's the flow of Solana? Solana, you know, as I was saying that the flow of alts are like they are second what Bitcoin does or Ethereum. When I look at Solana right now, when Trump was in Nashville in the Bitcoin conference 2020, Bitcoin dumped here. Bitcoin dumped here. You know, there was something like double tops. It was all time high. It was actually 193, 193. So this some double tops here, technically, and then Trump came around here on 24th, yes, 24th of July. That's when Trump came in. So when this happened, the market dumped. The market dumped something like, let me see here. Share down. Ethereum is down. Ethereum, I mean Solana is down 9%, 9.64% in 2 days, which I count something like discount for Ethereum. So we are seeing this. Solana is a good blockchain. It's a good ecosystem. Those who know this Solana, it's a prey on Ethereum. It's a layer 2 protocol, or it's a layer 2 blockchain system. Let me go to our time frame and let's see what's the pro of this one and the two time frame. all-time high was 260 dollars. That's all-time high. But once you look here, there's some kind of pseudo resistance. It is fighting hard to make sure that Solana is fighting hard to make sure that it reaches its previous resistance. That's not yet, as it's trying to respect this. Some kind of support, maybe something like that. Yeah. So it consolidated here to March, then it's falling. Very well consolidated. So when I consolidated for 500 days, this almost 1 year, when it was just great. But it's what it is. If you're an investor, you don't mind about the time that the token takes to play out. If you're an investor, you just have to come and accumulate. So guys, let's go and look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin is giving us some kind of fair value gaps. I look at the structure of Dogecoin right now. What's trying to play? If we break below this kind of support, we shall have to test these previous levels as of 0.5, 0.0, and then this one here. But if support is held, I don't see the coin pumping beyond this level of 0.12 cents per dog. I don't see it. Though the narrative about engagement of Dogecoin into the payments of Twitter is something you might have to look up, you might consider for us to accumulate more about this. But it will all rotate. 0.7 all time highs. So this is the pre for Bitcoin. That's the pre for Bitcoin. Let me go to XRP shitcoin. Oh my god. This shitcoin is pumping. But let me see what's the problem. This is on a weekly time frame. This shitcoin is trying to pump. I don't know what the narrative about it, or I don't know the trajectory on this pump. HIMcrypto to buy, that's the line again. Bitcoin price prediction market optimization another 2 billion. What happens next? So I don't know when this token was in March, it was in July. It was in July last year, I think, when Dogecoin was exempted as being a security token by Gensler. Then it pumped a bit. Let me see. 2023 January, 2023 July. Yeah, this is July 2023, and again we are in July. Let me try to mark this. Up there. So guys, from here from this price level. mm, Values, values, let me put it here, this one. It's almost 1 year when XRP is trending. When XRP is trending, just in between. But once we look for the point of control, actually it is where it is 0.6. If when they are accumulating, they are looking for fair value that's 0.06 cents, and maybe when you see we are broken above this on the weekly time frame, but if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we expect something like yeah, see, yeah, yeah, complete mid-rate guys. So we are expecting a break above this because this was the point of control, the weekly time frame 0.6. This is where most of the volume accumulation is. So if there is too much accumulation around this, should we expect a cross above this and then the market pulls it back to 0.9 down, 0.9%? If we pull from here up to here, yes, there, it is a 52%. 52% if you open long position about we open a long position on, I don't know, I'm not sure, but depending on the price action, just like I can place my stop loss below. Yeah, you have to open a long position on XRP. Yeah, at the previous all-time high. So can this be a very big, very good play on XRP? We cannot play it XRP. Can it play? Can it play? Can it play? Long on XRP. Long position XRP. I can anticipate this on the weekly time frame, but our stop loss can be just here. And with our stop loss, then our entry can be just here. I don't have any narrative why XRP is pumping, but there is some kind of document review. That's the place of like place. That's a call out. That's not. Then our tip we can play here. That's not here. TP long term. So if it can break out You just have to open your own position in HIMcrypto and then you leave it out to pray. Just use a little leverage. You can just use a little leverage because people market doesn't sleep, but some people sleeping. The market doesn't sleep. So guys, let me see. Which other token have I put that? Ethereum I know it's playing for on BTC. So if you look at the BTC dominance, let me go look at the BTC dominance. Let's check on the BTC dominance when it was in July 56, 55, 55. Right now it's at 55.99. All-time high 57. Right now BTC is going to outperform all other alts. That's why we are seeing it in the bullish trend, as you can see it here. It's just sitting here. So last week went was at 56. Right now it is sitting at 56 point something. 56.9. Crypto markets don't sleep. So back to our position. Let me go back and see what's praying and what's not praying. Go 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour. So I want to run the X guys. My prayer. My prayer. So let me remind you about this. When you're trading, you should not apply your emotions on the charts. It's only that for me, I'm doing some analysis here, but when you're trading, basically I don't love to be on the chart looking at our trade all the time. It's always set and forget. That's the rule. Or set and forget, and you find or you come out and do a comparison and find that the set and forget trades, they are outperforming the ones you look on the chart already, applying emotions too closely all the time on the chart. These trades will play in your psychology and then give you a lot of poor decisions after or even go for your trading views. So guys, subscribe to the channel. We should this first August 2024. This year we are so much bearish as we can see. just wish you to trade well, make money, respect, and love business. Pretty much. Trade all the time. It's always set and forget. That's the rule. Or set and forget, and you find who you come out and do a comparison. Wish you peace. Wish you peace. Ends.